Are you ready to boost your business analysis and process management skills without spending a dime? You're in the right place. Welcome to Business Training Media's Professional Development Series. In today's video, we'll explore a free business analysis and process management course designed for beginners and professionals who manage small to medium enterprises or work in the field. Already, over 500,000 students have enrolled in this online course. Join them and start learning today. This course is a guided project that provides the essential knowledge needed to analyze businesses from a process perspective. You'll learn how to develop the skills necessary to find solutions to your business problems. Whether you're just getting started or looking to enhance your expertise, this course will equip you with the tools and techniques to succeed. By the end of this course, you'll be able to analyze business processes and find practical solutions to existing challenges. Define your business processes, their objectives, and understand how they flow within your organization. Identify key process stakeholders and understand their roles in the business process. Evaluate your current business processes, break down the problems, and implement effective business solutions. What will you learn? This course is skill-based and hands-on, allowing you to practice by completing job-related tasks. You'll follow along with expert-guided, pre-recorded videos using a unique side-by-side interface. No downloads or installations are required. All you need is a laptop or desktop with a reliable internet connection to get started. Ready to start learning and elevate your career with the Business Analysis and Process Management course. Click the link in the description to enroll for free today and begin your journey toward mastering essential business analysis skills. For more free online courses, articles, and career resources, be sure to visit businesstrainingmedia.com. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more professional development content. We wish you the best of luck in your learning journey.